How to contact Monopoly Go customer support. If you wish to contact customer support of Monopoly Go, you have to simply go ahead and then launch your Monopoly Go game right here. Once you launch the game, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now, once you've done this, what you have to do from here is basically to contact the support. Tap on the three bar or the line icon located at the top right hand side, and from there what you want to do is just simply go to the option that says settings, as you can see in the gear icon. Once you go to settings, here one of the options you'll find is called customer service. So tap on customer service, and as you've done that, you should be able to see this type of information. Now you can give any of the reasons over here as to why you wish to contact them, and once done you can simply select any of these issues and you should be able to see the contact button right there, and just like that you'll be able to contact the customer support based on your own needs. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.